Hello, my name is Mauricio Cristancho. I am 36 years old, and my birthday is in June 13. I am from Girardot, Colombia. I live in Girardot. I am kosher. 2. I am responsible person and hard worker. My hobby are the puzzles. I live with my wife and my 2 children. I am student at Technology and Commercial Management and Business. I am tall. I measure 173 meters. My hair is black. I wear glasses. I like watch TV, series, and Netflix. My favorite TV show is Marvel series, and my favorite sports are tennis, F1, cycling, and soccer. Now I am going to tell my family. My wife is Diana Garcia. She is 37 years old. She is secretary. She is from Girardot too. She is slim. She has long, wavy hair and black hair. My son is Juan Sebastian. He is 10 years old. She is a student. He has brown eyes and short hair. He is nice and friendly. My daughter is Ana Sofia. She is 5 years old. She is a preschool student. She is short, her hair is long and curly. She is beautiful. They are 3 people and my family. Thanks.